What's up, guys? This is Passive Crypto checking in with a quick update. I want to keep you guys in the loop. Alert. Tomb Finance has been exploited. So basically, this is what happened, man. These bad actors found a workaround in the Gatekeeper tax. So if you're not familiar, the Gatekeeper tax was a high tax on Tomb when you buy and sell if it was at peg or below peg. The lower the peg, the higher the Gatekeeper tax. And this tax was used to burn the Tomb token and keep it above peg. So they found a workaround and then they sold the tokens. And according to the team, that it was a coordinated attack with FUD as well. So between the workaround and the FUD, it created a panic situation where people was mass selling their tokens irregardless of the fact. So the team decided to disable the Gatekeeper tax. So when they did that, there was more people that sold. Then subsequently, the team decided to disable the masonry lockups. So when you stake T shares, there was a lockup before you can withdraw your T shares. And the Tomb you earned, there was a cooling period as well where you couldn't sell your Tomb for a number of hours. So they decided to disable that. So more people sold. So between those two things happening, the price just plummeted. So the team basically said that there wasn't a hack. This is not a rug pull, and they're here for the community. But they ultimately decided not to do anything about the problem, which was the workaround, because according to them, there was going to be a governance vote in the coming months where the Gatekeeper tax was going to be disabled anyway. So the issue was the exploit on the Gatekeeper tax. So they just decided to keep it disabled, and they're going to continue to build this platform according to them, if it has to be from the ground up, which in my opinion is basically what's going to have to happen, because a lot of people got burnt, and my heart goes out to the people that lost a lot of money. I mean, look at it. The price of Tomb is 24 cents. The price of T-share is $224. The Tomb price should be at around, let me see, what's Phantom. So basically they broke the peg. And these algorithmic stablecoins, once the peg is broken, it's hard to get it back. And when you do, it's still hard. So the Phantom price is 84 cents. So Tomb should be at over 80 cents. And it's like it lost like 3/4 of its value in a matter of hours. The first post from the team came around 10:06 p.m., letting people know that there was an exploit if you were on Discord, which a lot of people don't use Discord like that, and a lot of people wasn't aware of it, and they got notified in the Telegram, which was a shock to a lot of people. And a lot of people in there are really, really pissed right now, and they're blaming the team. And I'm gonna stay neutral on this because I got mixed feelings, but I do want to say my heart goes out to the investors who lost a lot of money tonight. I have to say this, that I'm glad that I got out when I did, because I probably would have been one of those people that lost a lot of money, although I would like to think I would have got out before this happened, because if you watch my earlier videos on Tomb Finance, I said all these algorithmic stablecoins start to have problems once the stablecoin reaches its peg and then starts to fall below it. These contracts start to have problems. These algorithms start to have serious problems paying out. So with the team deciding just to let the course run out, it's going to be hard to rebuild, because the Gatekeeper tax was a big component of this platform. and that helped keep the peg, and the fact that they had a fund for helping keeping the peg. So the fund is intact. I'm assuming that they still have the fund, and the fund money is still intact. So I don't know, man. I think I don't know what to say, but my heart do go out to the team. I do think the team should, although it seems like they not really planning on doing this, unless there's a big uproar from the community. I think they should migrate the contract, and I hope with this happening that people will see that the gatekeeper tax was very crucial to this platform's success and is much needed. And I think they should migrate the contracts and do a snapshot before the exploit and start from there, because this platform is really profitable, and I think it still can continue to be that way if they reset, basically hit the reset button. And without that reset button, I don't see how they will be able to keep the TOOM token above peg. I just don't see it, even with the FTM launchpad and all that stuff. And unless they start rolling out a whole bunch of new tokens that's really successful, I don't see TOOM token being consistently above peg. Maybe they come up with another idea, but a lot of people got burnt. You know what I'm saying? So you lost a lot of investor confidence, and platforms need that to thrive. You need a community that believes in a project, and the people that got burnt, if this is not rectified, they're going to leave this project and never come back. A lot of them will, and they're going to tell everybody that they can not to invest in this project, which will hurt the growth of this platform. So I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be really hard for TOOM to come back from this. I'm pulling for them because I really do like the idea that they came up with, and it was working pretty decent. But having said that, if what they said was true, that there was a governance vote within the coming months to disable the gatekeeper function, this was going to happen anyway. It would have happened maybe 3 months from now, but it was still going to happen because it was going to be a lot of people that sold their tokens for value, and a lot of people made a lot of money on staking the TOOM Phantom pair. So once they got wind that they could sell without that tax, of course they took profit. You know what I'm saying? This is just regular people. This is not the bad actors, but the bad actors especially. So I don't see it. You know what I'm saying? I don't see it without the gatekeeper function. The launchpad, like I say, could help, but they have to start rolling out a lot of new, a lot of launches that's really good, where it will incentivize people to actually buy the TOOM token and participate in the launches. You know, because right now the TOOM token is only 23 cents. I don't know what to say about that, but my heart goes out to the people, and this is an alert. I just want to let you guys know that watch my channel what's going on, because I've made plenty of videos on TOOM finance in the past, and I don't want anybody to see these prices and think it's a great time to get in, because there's a lot of stuff that's unresolved, and I wouldn't recommend any of my investors investing in this, because if you don't know what you're doing, you can get really wrecked. Right now, I will say this, I am seeing people swing trading the T-share token. They're buying it cheap, which is pumping the price, and then other people see it's pumping and they get in and then they dump on them. That's in a nutshell. To keep it simple, that's what's going on. It is some money to be had there, but I wouldn't recommend any of you guys that watch my channel doing that, because you're probably gonna lose all your money. So I do appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. And this is your boy Passive Crypto. Peace. I'm out.